Hello! It's Tuesday and we're going to the beach! Yes! Yo! Okay, let's go. Outside is so warm. We're gonna go get our sandwiches from Bayview Deli.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car and raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my hand to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Yeah, no matter what you say. Marry that girl. It will be a family. Why you gotta be so rude? I hate to do this, you leave no choice. Can't live without her. Love me or hate me, we will be boys, standing at that altar. Or we will run away to another galaxy. You know she's in love with me. She will go anywhere I go. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, 'cause the answer's still no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say.
So we just got back from the beach. It was a good day, really good day. We went there with Anthony, John, Owen, Michael, and Alexis, and Margot, obviously. And I met Angel, and the waves were huge. You've seen it on the videos. Obviously, I filmed it. Every time I was trying to go in the sea, I would always have a huge wave in my face, and I would like drown for like 20 seconds and think about the end of my life. But I made it. I'm still alive. But otherwise, it was really good. The big waves were really funny to play with. I'm kind of tired now. I don't know what time is it. It's almost 7, I guess. Tonight, I think, I don't know if we're going to somebody's place, but it's gonna be another party, I think. I don't know if I'm gonna go. I kind of want to edit my things, and I want to watch PLL on ABC Family for the first time live in America for me. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. Hey guys, just got back from Michelle's house. It's one of Margot's friends, and we played beer pong, and I talked with some of those friends. It was great. I'm going to bed now. I mean, I'm going to edit some videos, some vlogs. Oh, and I didn't tell you, someone broke my charger for my camera, so I cannot charge it anymore. That is awful. I cannot charge my camera anymore, but I guess tomorrow I'm gonna go buy a new charger, because I cannot live without it. So that's it. Peace.
home, you